traders, welcome to TradersHub Ninja. Today we need to conduct a technical analysis of Tesla stock to predict the market next move. We should start by comparing it across various time frames. This particular analysis will focus on the daily chart and 1 hour chart. First, this particular trend is a strong uptrend. It was a strong uptrend, consistently price movement in one direction without much retracement or pullback here. Look here, this particular level is a higher high followed by a pullback. We can get a higher low and price will go up. This particular higher high will break, new high will form. So this particular trend is a strong uptrend. And what will be happen in the next? Look here, this is very important friends. Look here, this is a higher low. Previously it was a strong uptrend. Now the trend will be changed into downtrend here. Look here, it was a higher low. If it was a strong uptrend, it will continue in a same direction. For example, it was a strong uptrend. Here is a higher high, higher low, and then higher high. If the trend is uptrend, it will continue in the same direction. Means what was happened? It was an uptrend. It was a higher high, higher lows, and then previous high will break, new high will form, and then we can get a pullback and market will go high. If it was happened means it was a uptrend continuation pattern, but it was not happened in the real market. It was very important friends, how to identify the trend change. Here it was a higher high followed by a pullback. We can get a higher low and this particular previous high will break, new high will form. So here higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Look here, it is not a higher low. It's a first initial lower low. So market was changed in this direction. Previously it was an uptrend. Here market was changed into downtrend here. So this particular level, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs and higher lows and higher high means this high will break, new high will form means it was a uptrend continuation pattern. But it was not happened in the real market. Here it was a higher high, higher lows, higher highs. Here it was a first initial lower low and it was a lower high. This particular level is a higher high. If market will break to this particular level, market will break to this level means it was a higher high. But it was not happened. It was a swing high. So here it is a lower high. So in this level, market was changed into this direction. Here it was an uptrend. In this level, market was changed into downtrend. It was a first initial low, lower low, and then this particular level is a lower high, and this low will break, new low will form. So it was a lower high. This one is a lower low. So previously it was a uptrend. Now the trend changed into downtrend here. This is a Tesla 1 hour chart. Look here, market was acted as a support here. Buyers are aggressively entering to this level. Market will go up. Look here, market was coming to the same level. Here is also acted as a support. Lot of buyers are entering to this level. One particular same price level was acted as a support here. What will be happen here? This particular support turn into resistance here. Breakdown happened. Here market was coming down. So here one particular price level was acted as a support. Support turn into resistance here. Here we are in a same level. Market was retest to this level. So we are expecting a downward move here. This particular support level was turn into resistance here. Breakdown happen. Market will come down. We are in a same level. Market was retest to this level. We are expecting a downward momentum here. It was a downtrend. So I just draw a descending trend line. I just draw a descending trend line and the market seems to be respecting it. I just place the Fibonacci levels here. I just place the Fibonacci level. This swing high to swing low. Here market is within a golden range. Golden range means 0.5 to 0.62 range. If the market continue to respect the Fibonacci levels and we receive candle confirmation, particularly with the bearish reversal candles forming in the actual market, we can anticipate a downward momentum. Don't trade blindly, friends. You should follow your own analysis also. Please subscribe to our channel and continue supporting us for more videos. Thank you for watching.